Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Princess Erica and I'm back again with another video. So yeah, most of you may have noticed that I changed my YouTube channel name to Princess Erica because I just want to bear my name. I'm Princess Erica. Yeah, back again at it. So today I'm going to be doing a look featuring Raggedy Royale's colored lashes. Yeah, like the lashes are like a bomb. Like, they're fucking amazing. So yeah, you all should like subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, tell me what you want to see more, tell me if you like the look I came up with. So I'm going to be starting this makeup now, so like let's get back to the video. Okay, so I'm going to be starting my brows and I'm going in with this Eyeshadow brow pen. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition in the shade Fun GC 93. So I'm using it to conceal my brows. So I don't know. So that's and I'm going in with my eyeshadow. I'm using this. What are we going in with this? Red. I'm done with the red, and I'm going in with this really cool brown because I want it to be like in the crease. I'm going with this cool brown. Okay, so guys, I'm done with that. I'm going in with my Tara eyeshadow primer. I don't know. Yes, I'm going in with my Tara eyeshadow primer to cut my crease. Same palette, this palette, and I'm going in with this pink and this purple. Okay. done with my eyelash. I'm going in my mascara. It's Tara mascara. Yes, I'm going in my mascara. Strand by strand slowly. Okay, spoolie brush. Take some like this. Yeah, like this. Then just try to place it. Kind of even faster, but so these are my lashes that I colored. It's nice. I'm done fixing my lashes. Primer. Yeah. Go in my Revolution Makeup London Liquid Illuminate. final look of everything I just did. Yeah, the whole time I took, and I'm really loving this look. I'm so fucking loving this look. One, the color actually just add an effect to it that is just so beautiful. I think you all would love to try this look, and if you want to see more awesome looks like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, tell a friend. Yeah, and I really love you guys for watching this video, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, follow my socials, just connect with me. I'll post my socials down below in the description box, and I'll tell you everything about me. Sorry, no, that came out wrong. And I want you guys to please follow my socials and please like my video. If you really love this look, please a thumbs up, give the video a thumbs up, and thank you all for watching. I really love you all. See you later in the next video. Bye.
Yo.